Euroclean WDX2 is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner that boasts of a combination of high-tech aesthetics and state-of-the-art Swiss design. It is powered by innovative Deep Cleaning Plus technology and smart ergonomics that ensures hassle-free usage. To boot the device, switch the power on. It has a long cable for ease of use. The LED indicator signals a green light which indicates that the unit is ready to use. Before switching it on, use the hose on either the suction end or the blower end depending on your usage. Turn the power knob to the on mode. The dynamic dial power control features 3 modes: the Eco Clean mode, the Active Cleaning mode, and the Full Throttle mode. 2 different filters are used for dry cleaning and wet cleaning. To prepare your unit for wet cleaning, unlock and pull out the HEPA type filter. For the rubber gasket, pull the motor assembly and lock the clamps. The carpet brush is used to suck dirt and dust from carpets effectively. It ensures the best cleaning of carpets. The floor brush is an accessory that can clean floors that contain dust particles and allergens. The wet squeegee accessory can clean wet surfaces. The crevice nozzle is used to remove dust from inaccessible spaces. It's used to remove dust from wall corners, sofa corners, and any other inaccessible areas. The flexible hosepipe is a primary accessory which can control the amount of suction with the help of these holes. With the grill cleaner, you can remove stubborn dust from between your grills easily. You can also use this to remove dirt from window ledges and sills. The atomizer can be effectively used to fumigate your cupboards and freshen your homes. All you have to do is load the atomizer with naphthalene balls and connect it to the blower end. It will diffuse naphthalene vapor to keep out stale odors and destructive pests. The all-surface cleaner is designed to keep hard-to-clean things spotlessly clean. It is used to clean curtains, hard surfaces, bed ledges, and mattresses. The Flexi Cleaner can be used to reach inaccessible places easily. It can clean shelf tops very effectively. The spray jar, when connected to the blower end, can help you water your plants. The Precision Cleaner is a multi-purpose blower accessory that helps fill balloons and blows dust and dirt from corners. The small wet squeegee can clean surfaces with water spillage and detergent to make it look sparkling clean. The car wash adapter is a blower accessory. It can be used to wash cars by attaching a pipe at the pipe nozzle. WDX2 is designed with on-board storage facilities for all accessories and ensure that the unit is ready to use. The auto clean switch cleans the HEPA type filter by reversing the airflow and ensures contact-free filter cleaning. If the dirt bag is filled to capacity, the indicator turns red. This device boasts of a dust bag capacity of 8 liters. The auto cord winder mechanism ensures easy storage of the power cord and protects it from any external damage. Let's make cleaning hassle-free.
Eureka Forbes, your friend for life.